again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I have got my monthly box from Colorfuljuly. This is what I thought I had the other day, but it wasn't. It was the punk box I had the other day. This is, yeah, Colorfuljuly, and this is their June monthly box. So I'm going to open it. Always comes in this hand wrapped in cute little paper every month. I love it. So, oh, did you see that? Loads of glitters falling out of it. Oh, we've got a leakage. Oh no. Right, let's get it open and see what we're dealing with. Look at all this, guys, stuck to the sticker, look. Right, I'm going to open this and clean it all up, guys. And then I'll show you what's inside. Shall I just show you, actually, what it looks like inside when I open it? I can see love hearts and stuff everywhere. Oh, we've got a blue one this time. I haven't had a blue one. These are pretty. So I'll just quickly show you this. I've got a gold one and a silver one. So this one's nice. And this is just the card that they put in with all their social media. A couple of QR codes if you want to scan them. There you go. Right, first, let me bring you in a little bit now. We've got this. Oh my gosh, this is full of all sorts. So we've got a bling tray. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, so we've got half pearls. Love them. We've got some pointy back clear ones. And we've got some shell pieces. These are a nice colour. Can you see the rainbow? Struggling to see it on camera, but it's beautiful. Pearly shell pieces. Right, we're going to have to get a move on. Oh, we've got some beautiful pink mylar. We've got some gold embellishment pieces. Oh, look at these. I haven't seen these before. Look at these ones, snowflakes. And they're curved as well, so they'd sit nice and flat on a nail. And you could put a gem in the middle of that. Cool, I like them. I love that they're all in their own little bling box already. I don't need to put them away. Oh, we've got gold ones, all different sizes, gold metallic. And then we've got AB, transparent AB. And then we've got these teeny tiny ones. They're cute. These are all glass as well. Teeny tiny little ones. And then we've got some more mylar, caviar beads, more pearls. These are not half pearls, they're full ones. Brilliant. More gold embellishments. So we've got seashells by the seashore. Then we've got moons, 4 pointed stars. I like them. I haven't got them. They're cool. Right, then we've got more shell pieces, blue pearly ones, and then these are like bluey green. Oh, we've got teeny tiny little pinky purple rhinestones. They're cute. I like them. And then we've got these gold shardy things. These are going to bug me. So I'm just going to get these put back in. I like these. I've never used them before. I like these little rhinestones. They're a nice colour. These ones are really nice. The colours on these ones. Look at the colours on this. Beautiful. There's lots in there as well. And lastly we've got all different colour mylars. I like this one. This one's like a coral. I like these silver. They're like string. I think you can bend them. And then we've got some more gold embellishments. They're like a rose gold, aren't they? Right, so I like that. That's the first item. I'm really happy with that. There's a little bit of everything in there, isn't there? I love that I don't have to package all this away. It's already done. Perfect. Right, then we've got... Oh, gosh, this is big. This is huge. Big. Let's compare it to the ones I normally use. So that's the ones I normally use. This is a huge dust-off brush. I like that. Let's start by dusting all this glitter off. That's a good one. I like it. It's heavy as well. Cool. We have got a cuticle oil. I got one of these in the punk box. And it's got real flowers in it. Cute. I like it. I do prefer cuticle oils with a brush, actually. Right, we've got a pot of caviar beads. I badly needed caviar beads this size. And there's 2. I love this. So there's 2 of each size. Brilliant. I badly needed caviar beads in silver this size. Let me show you mine. Look, mine's nearly empty. Very, very nearly empty. So I'm happy with them. Brilliant. We've got another container with, what are these? Right, these are all different colour roses. But to get the different colour effects, it is literally tiny little bits of tiny glitter stuck to the bottom. Can you see? Just a few little small hex glitters stuck to the bottom. Like this one's a pale blue one, and it's just got teeny tiny little blue hex stuck to the bottom. That's cool. I don't have anything like that. I like them, and there's loads in here, loads. Gosh, we've got lots. I love it when things come in containers and you don't need to mess about. You can just stick them away in your drawer. Right, what else have we got? Oh, these are different. So these are cool, look. Look, we've got a teeny tiny little teddy bear. Butterflies, snowflakes, stars, hearts, moons. And they've just got a really nice purpley, bluey shimmer. Not seen them before. They're beautiful, aren't they? They're beautiful. I really like them. Haven't got anything like them with the shimmer. Oh, we've got more glitter. Oh, these are nice. So these have all got a beautiful iridescent shimmer. They've all got this same shimmer, but the camera's just not picking it up very well. Ultra, ultra fine, almost like dust. Almost like a dust. I wonder if they're glow in the dark. I'll have to try. I think they might be glow in the dark. I love this coral. Beautiful for summer. I like them a lot. We've got a stamping plate. Let's have a look. I don't have this one. So we've got, I like these hearts and stars. So we've got little French tip ones here. That's cool. I like it. We've got these you could do checkered lines with. You could layer them. And the dots. Yeah, you could layer these and do checkered nails. Cool. Right, we've got a black and a white glitter as well. So this white is, let me open it because it's covered in black. Yeah, so this white one is super, super holographic. The camera's not going to pick it up. So let's focus on my pinky. Right, can you look in the background? Really, really hollow. I do like these ultra, ultra fine hollow glitters for sugaring. And then we've got the black one. I don't think this is hollow. I think this is just black, black. Ultra, ultra fine black. I don't have a black that fine. That's going to be brilliant for Halloween spider webs and stuff. I like them. That white one will get used a lot for sure. Brilliant. So this is a cute box. What's this? Black. Oh, I think this is, with the stamping plate, I think this is a stamping gel. Do you know these stamping gels are fantastic to use with for painting? Because they're so pigmented. Yeah, they're so pigmented. You can use these for nail art painting. Yeah, it's just a black gel. Cool. Then we have got a mould. Alphabet mould. So you could even use this with this alphabet mould because it's quite a flat mould. You could use it with that. So it's got letters A to Z and numbers 0 to 9. And it's got a little love art. Cool. They're quite small as well. You could fit them on any nail. They are quite small, aren't they? I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Oh, something did leak. I found the culprit. This one leaked. There's not much left in it. It looked like it had hearts and crosses. That one leaked. I would imagine it's all in the bottom of the box. I'll try and salvage some of it. I thought it was confetti and I've been scraping it up and putting it all in the bin. I didn't know. But right, let's see what we got in here. Oh, we've got loads of the hearts and the crosses. Look, we've got loads more in here. So I'm not too bothered about losing that one. We've got more. All different size hearts and crosses. All different colours. This one's got white, iridescent and pink, hot pink. I like this one. This one is just all iridescent. Hearts. Oh, they're nice. Pretty. And then we've got a pink and a purple one. Oh, sugar. Oh, it's got... Right, it's broke at the side there. I thought, why is it still leaking? The lid's on. Right, so it's broke at the side. I've got loads of spare little pots. I can put them in. That's a shame. But yeah, I was saying, they've all got a beautiful iridescent glitter mixed in with them. That's cute, I like that. Right, what have we got? Acrylic graffiti pens. I did get a white one the other day, so I hope none of these are white. Please don't be white. Nope, right, we've got a grey one. I'm going to do something with these in a different video. And we got a blue one. Right, brilliant. So I've got a blue one, a white one, and a grey one. And these are just acrylic pens, just like acrylic paint. And you can write on your nails with them. I've got one here, this white one. You can just write on your nails with them. I've got top coat on, so it wouldn't... I'm covered in black glitter. I've got top coat on, so it's not going to work very well, but... Yeah, I've got top coat on, so it's not going to work very well, but... Look at that, you can just write with it. So easy. And these just air dry. These little acrylic paints. I'm so glad I didn't get a double. Contents do vary in these boxes, guys, so you might get different colours to me. You might get different colour glitters. You might get a different stamping plate. Yeah, colours do vary. Bear that in mind. Right, we have got a nail brush. Ooh, this looks fancy. I like the look of this. Oh, it's an acrylic brush. Looks like it might be a size 8 acrylic brush. Yeah, that's a bit random, isn't it? Well, we'll see what else is in the box. It might be for something else in the box. Right, we have got some nail tips. Oh my gosh, look at these. So we've got extra long full cover tips. I actually got some of these not even a week ago off Temu, I think it was. So this is a thumb. So these, I think these are 3XL. It says on the box, extra long. These are definitely 3XL tips. These are good for me to use in my practice hand because I can push them right back into my cuticle and I've still got a decent bit of length. But gosh, these are long ass nail tips. These are really good for just doing fun, playful sets now and again. Look at the length of them. They've only got a little C-curve as well. They're not bad at all. I quite like these. I'm happy with them. They are long tips. Right, guys, what's left is we've got a couple of these gypsum gels. I got a couple of these in my punk box the other day. So this one looks like it might be a blue. And they did get back to me, and you use it for sculpting things. That's a nice colour. It's like really pale purple. And yeah, you can use this to make things 3D. I think that is what they've put this acrylic brush in for. Gypsum gel. If you want to know what it is, because I'm not using it today, just have a look on YouTube for gypsum gel, and you'll find people using it. It's quite cool actually. It's something that I've never used. So I'd be really excited to try this and do something with it. If anyone's got any suggestions what I could do with it. And this one's like a pale green. I do like it, I just don't know what to do with it. Yeah, not sure what to do with it. They're very nice colours though. Right, so I've got 4 gels. I'm going to get a couple of swatch sticks out and we'll see what colours they've put in this month. Right guys, I'm not going to swatch these two because these are, I'm just going to have to show you in the pot today. These are just a clear gel and they've got little bits of loose flowers in there. And they wouldn't look any different even if I put them on a clear swatch stick as to what you see in there. These are good to put in flower nails and stuff. So that's like a pale peachy colour, bits of flowers. And this one is like a yellow. This one would look nice on a sunflower set or buttercups or something. But there's no point in me swatching them. I need to use them to show you a bit better. So we've got them two. Right, so number 33. I do like Colorfuljuly solid gels. That's what these little white pots are. I've collected a few of their solid gels now. I do like them. That's a nice colour. I like that. And then number 23. Oh, and that's a nice colour as well. Alright, I'm happy with them. And they go together nicely. Brilliant. Yeah, these are brilliant for natural nails because you can get really close to your cuticle. They're not going to flood your cuticle. And they are so opaque and pigmented. You can get away with one coat. You really can. I've put far too much on there. I really didn't need that much because the coverage is fantastic. They apply really smooth. That's nice. I'm really happy with that. I like that a lot. Right, I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And we'll quickly give this other one a swatch. Yeah, this is a pretty colour. These would look nice together in a set. I think these go together really well. I've still put too much on again. God's sake. Yeah, the coverage is fantastic. So smooth to apply. Yeah, that's a pretty colour as well. I'm happy with them. Gorgeous. Right guys, that's the colours this month. I'm really happy with the colours this month. They're really pretty colours. And I think they go together really nice. That's just one coat, top coated. They just apply really nice, don't they? They are really nice to use, especially on natural nails. These solid creams are. Yeah, I'm really happy with them. So that was the little flowery bits that we got as well. I'm not going to swatch them, but I think I need to do something with these little bits that people can never think of things to do with them. So I'll try and think of a few things to do with these little awkward products that we get. I'll try and think of something to do with these guys. But anyway guys, that is it for today. So let's have a quick recap. I love these little gems with the shimmer in. They're different. We got the ultra fine glitter, the black and the white glitter. We got graffiti pens, this acrylic brush. I think that needed to be smaller, I'm not sure. We got loads of little trinket bits this month, didn't we? Massive bling box full of goodies, caviar beads. Gosh, we've got the stamping paint and the stamping plate and mould, and we got all these tips, huge box of tips, and we got the big old brush and the cuticle oil. I'm really happy with this month's box. I think this is one of my favourite boxes actually that I've had so far from Colorfuljuly. Anyway guys, is that everything? Yeah, I think that's everything. I will leave a link below. I've got a discount code that'll be below as well. Check out all their other boxes. They've got all different theme boxes. And yeah, that is it guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.